Chapter 32, Wisdom, the Experience of Love. Wisdom breathing is Kapalabhati, skull shining breath. We'll be exhaling all the breath out of the lungs and then inhaling into the upper chest, and then a strong exhale, percussively pulling the abdomen in towards the back. The inhale happens naturally and quickly, and the focus is on the strong exhale, pulling the abdomen with strength towards the back. So find a comfortable position. Exhale all the breath out to begin. And take a deep, full inhale, a comfortable upper chest breath, and begin your Kapalabhati, strong, percussive exhales. And go at your own pace, and do as many rounds as you feel comfortable. And then begin to exhale all the breath out. Take a deep inhale and breathe up towards your third eye. And hold your awareness at the third eye. Bringing that light and wisdom, that shining self, up to the third eye. Wisdom meditation. Bring your awareness inwards and just listen to your breath. Notice the essence of your breathing, any qualities inside your breath, any feelings or sensations in the breath. Just notice this movement in and out. And now bring your awareness to your heart muscle and begin to listen to the rhythm of this drum-like beat inside you. Notice any feelings in your heart muscle, any images or colors, any sounds. Or simply have your awareness in your heart muscle. Now listening to the heartbeat in different areas of the body, a syncopation or a symphony of sounds within. You may hear the pulse in different areas, the torso, the limbs, the neck, the head. Listening to this symphony of sounds and beats throughout. And now listen to the fluids of the body, just flowing all throughout. This constant change and movement, all the different fluids moving through you. Notice your fluid nature. And now listen to the light, that glow, buzz, hum, that presence and life force inside.